How to use Splitwise app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Splitwise app and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, at the bottom, click on Friends. Then, click on Add More Friends, which is in the middle. After you've clicked on it, click on Add a New Contact. Then add a name of the person and then add their phone number or email address and press on tick mark at the top right. After you have done that, click on the arrow at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on Finish at the bottom and they will be added to your Splitwise app. After they're added, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Groups at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click on Start a New Group, which is in the middle. After you've clicked on Start a New Group, select is it Trip, Home, Couple, or other options. Then add Group Name, and then add Start Date and End Date as well if you want. Then press on Done at the top right corner of your screen. And then your group will be created. After your group is created, you can click on Add Group Members. Click on Add Group Members and add the person you added earlier as a friend. Then press on arrow at the bottom right again. Press on Finish, and they will be added to this group. At the top, you can scroll to the left side and you'll find different options. Total, export, whiteboard, and everything. Click on Add Expense. Start adding expenses. Then enter a description, like what it is. Bill, and then add amount and press on tick mark at the top right corner of your screen. And then you're good to go. This is how to basically use Splitwise app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.